Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the central Kingston area and we are on South Camp Road heading towards Wynwood Road, and this is the Raytown area. We're actually in Raytown now. So if we turn left on this, we turn left here, we head back to downtown Kingston, but we're going to turn right and head towards Wynwood Road. And if we were to go straight, we would stay on South Camp Road, head towards Sabina Park, and then eventually to Camp Road. A lot of persons mix up Camp Road and South Camp Road. South Camp Road is the one that Sabina Park is on, and Camp Road is the one that Up Park Camp is on. A lot of people also mix up Hope Road with Old Hope Road. I mean, even on our videos, sometimes we say the wrong name, but we correct it very quickly. Hope Road runs from Halfway Tree to Ligonier, and Old Hope Road runs from Crossroads up to Papi. Now, Old Hope Road and Hope Road intersect each other in Ligonier, and that's where Hope Road ends and it merges into Old Hope Road. So probably that's why so many people get confused. On the right now, that big pink building, that's a Bellevue Hospital.